Eliphaz warns Job not to follow the old path that wicked people once walked. Those who were swept away suddenly before their time, with their foundations washed away like a flood. They had said to God, "Leave us alone," and asked, "What can the Almighty do to us?" Yet, even though they rejected God, He had filled their houses with good things. Now, Eliphaz says, righteous people see their destruction and are glad, and the innocent mock them, saying that the wicked and everything they owned have been wiped away.